Hi, my name is SALLYNA binti Muhammad ZAILI. I am final year student from USM, University Science Malaysia. For today, I will be presenting my final year project. The title is Non-Intrusive Fall Detections for Elderly. For introduction, as we know, falling is always a risk, even at your own home. Slippery floors, surrounding objects, and even missteps can make any vulnerable to a disastrous fall. Instead of sending the elderly to a home for the aged, we can monitor them at home from afar. It helps to monitor much of the falls that could occur during the everyday activities of elderly, but it still has room for improvement. This project mainly is to detect fall of elderly at the bathroom or other small area. Problem statements. Wearable devices could make them uncomfortable or unpleasant for them. The vision-based system faces some issues when performing the video analysis that leads to issues with privacy preservation. So, for the proposed solution, in this project, an Internet of Things (IoT)-based non-intrusive fall detection system is proposed and designed for the elderly. Fallert is a combination of the fall and alert, which symbolize the fall detection and alert. For the objectives, to develop a non-intrusive fall detection system for the elderly. Example, to detect fall without cameras or wearable devices, and to improve accuracy by additional sensors such as FSR sensor. So we continue with design. This is the module diagram for my project, which consists of 3 modules. The first one is sensing module, second one is decision module, the third one is application module. This is architecture diagram, which consists of sensor, controller, server, data storage, and application. So, we continue with technology deployed. This is the example on how the sensors were set up in a bathroom. For the first one is PIR motion sensor, which is the yellow circle. This one is FSR sensor on the floor, purple circle. This is ultrasonic sensor, which is indicates for blue circle. And this is using Arduino Uno microcontroller. For the impact and benefits for this project, the device does not cause any inconvenience for the elderly, which means non-intrusive. The second one is to get reliable results as the system is updated to be more reliable and the sensors are increased to produce better results. The third one is the fall detection system gives assurance to the family member about the health conditions and safety of the elderly. For the test scenario, before I continue with the demo, I'll explain about the test scenario. So this is how the sensor is being set up. The scale has been reduced for illustration purpose. So begin with identifying the input variables and collecting data from the system. In the targeted area, the Arduino Uno, PIR motion sensor, and ultrasonic sensor are set up. The movement of the elderly would trigger the sensors. For example, the arrival, movement, and presence of the elderly in the room will be sensed by the sensors. The signals from the sensors should send to the server. So, let's continue to watch the video of my project demo. Now, I will show you the demonstration. is the position of every sensor: ceiling ultrasonic sensor, top PIR sensor, bottom PIR and ultrasonic sensor, lastly FSR sensor. This is the situation when faults happen. By the movement, it will trigger the sensors and the results will be on the console. This is the results if there has fault detected. Sensor 1 indicates to ceiling ultrasonic sensor, while sensor 2 indicates to bottom ultrasonic sensor. First sensor reading is for FSR sensor on the floor. Based on the fault rules, the sensor will sense when the reading reaches to limit, then the faults happen as the result shown from this console. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching.